In this video, you will learn how to create a new SID person record from scratch. Let's begin on the Person Search tab. Always do a person search first before creating a new record. You can learn more about person search in this SID Help article. The article has a link to a video about how to do a person search. If no SID record exists for your person, create a new one from scratch. Click on the appropriate New button to get started. There are three kinds of intake forms: staff, volunteers, and students. The student form is longer because it collects more details needed for state and federal reporting. Before you start typing, look over the on-screen form. Make sure you have all the info you need for the person you're entering. There is no way to save a partially completed record to finish later. Today we'll take a quick look at the four major parts of the student intake form, spotlighting a few general items. Take a look at the blue question mark. Whenever you see one, you can click on it for more info about a nearby word or phrase. The intake date is the date the student started in your program. It defaults to today's date. The Social Security field is for the full 9-digit number only. If you don't have it, leave this field blank. Required fields have a red thumbs down symbol, which will become a green thumbs up when the data is entered. When typing the student's name, always use the person's full legal name, ideally from a driver's license, state ID card, or other official document. If necessary, use the nickname field to record what the person prefers to be called. Take a close look for spelling errors in the student name before going on. Type or select the student's address, phone, and email. For people who are homeless, leave the street address field blank. Enter the city and zip. For people in a correctional facility, do not record the facility address, phone, or email on a student record. Enter the birth date in the suggested month, day, year format. When you're done, double-check the date you typed to make sure it's accurate. Besides the red thumbs down, you'll also see red shaded menus for required info. The red shading will turn green when you make a selection. Continue filling in the form, typing and selecting items that apply to the student. The info collected in this section may not apply to students in your program. These fields are optional for state and federal reporting, but they may be required for local use. If you're not sure which of these fields are essential for your program, ask your manager. After you're finished entering, make sure you didn't miss anything. Then click Save. To learn more about a word or phrase on the student intake form, check out this chart from the SID Help Center. It has definitions that can take some of the mystery out of the ABE terms we're using. Write down this web link that will take you to the chart. Sometimes after a record has been created, you find out that the person doesn't qualify for ABE services, or they changed their mind about participating. You cannot delete a record that was created from scratch. But it's okay to leave the newly created record in your database. The person may return or show up in another Minnesota ABE program later. Their very brief enrollment at your site will be a piece of their historical timeline. Something good to know for future reference. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.